Hey everybody, good afternoon. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So kind of exciting news today. I got a mention in an article on this car right here, and a friend of mine actually sent it to me, and he's like, hey, have you seen this? It's pretty impressive. And I hadn't seen it yet, but apparently several people have. I've gotten a couple messages today from some friends. I'm just shocked, honestly. It was a article about how found the car and pulled it out of a barn and things like that. Very, very kind, sweet article. The lady mentioned my YouTube channel. So super excited. I'm going to put all of the, I did a screen recording on my phone of the article. So I'm gonna put it in this video here so you guys can read it. But just very exciting news. I couldn't be happier that people are recognizing what I try to do with these old Cadillacs. Like I have said before, I'm not selling this one. I want to get it back on the road and just clean it up to the best of my abilities and bring it back to its former glory. I do not want to restore it. I don't want to paint it. I don't want to do an interior. I want to just leave this old girl the way she is because she's perfect in my eyes. So anyway, I was just absolutely floored that somebody wrote an article about this whole scenario and situation. So I can't wait for you guys to see it. As always, thank you for watching my videos, supporting what I do. Take care. See you guys next time.